good afternoon. This is India Web Fest 2019, which is undoubtedly the biggest web entertainment conclave. And today we have with us none other than Mr. Alan Eric. Thank you so much, sir.
Hi.
Pleasure being with you over here. Sir, so what do you have to say? India Web Fest, such a big conclave, celebrating entertainment that the content is that is going on web space. What do you have to say on that?
So it's a very interesting conversation. Right through the morning, the kind of sessions which have been curated together, I think they've been put together very thoughtfully. Provokes a lot of thought, a lot of perspective from very diverse facets. Like there are people from content, there are people who have managed brands, run operations. So it's extremely diverse.
It's like from all hemispheres you have.
A lot of diversity and a lot of perspective. So I'm taking out a lot of interesting things and looking forward to the second half also.
Okay. So any particular panel that you're looking forward to, especially in the second half?
Of course the panel that I'm part of, the Rice.
Of course,
and Rice
but sir, apart from that, sir. वो तो हो गया ना मतलब favorite.
Nothing that's. In fact, I'm just taking it as I. As it
It's like step by step. जैसे आए वैसे लेंगे.
But the point is that I think the morning, especially the last session, and also Akash's session, the way of looking at the business and the business that was very eye-opening. And what was also interesting from Akash's conversation was while he was talking about it from his business, root as a business and the business model, that also puts a lot of questions on how does the FMCG business model, the industry where I come from, how are we gearing up for those things? Are we looking at those cohorts in that manner? It throws very fresh light. It was very insightful.
Sir, the web space, without any doubt, has not just been been a breath of fresh air for content, but it's also been a breath of fresh air for new actors. I mean, you see people, there are a lot of actors who are coming, getting that opportunity in the web space, and then they're actually making it big. So what do you have to say on that? This change that has happened in the entertainment industry, it wasn't there before, but thanks to web space, we have that right now. So what do you have to say on that?
So I think it's a lot of democratization happening in its truest sense. It's democratization. Anyone with a great thought, a great idea, backed with the right kind, you'll have to somewhere identify where you are going, what you want to do. Then the opportunity is there. So that democratization, I think it's here to stay. And I think the next wave of celebrities are already beginning to come from here. I think that's here to stay. From that perspective, it's a very healthy ecosystem which is building up. It's only going to, I think the pace is going to go up in the near future. I think we are at some kind of a crossroads. We were talking a lot about how
it's like
TV
you're talking
and
about a transition or
digital
something.
reach are converging overall. I don't think there'll be a transition per se, but I think they will coexist, and each of them will feed into each other overall. So there'll be people who start here, go there,
and
people start there, and
they can move there as well.
They of course will have to move here.
Like that flexibility will remain.
I think that ecosystem is forming, so that's interesting.
So I'm pretty sure you must be into a lot of web series. Which is the one that you're watching right now?
So I like Narcos. It's interesting.
Favorite for everyone.
Overall, so that's a very interesting series. So that's one of the things which is I still have a lot more to watch. But I think there's a lot of variety coming in and a lot of diversity again.
Have you watched Sacred Games too?
No, not yet.
And one you have watched?
In fact, I'm curious to watch it. I haven't watched either.
Okay. Interesting enough. Thank you so much, sir. It was a pleasure talking to you.
It was a pleasure. Thanks for the invitation.
Thank you so much, sir. Pleasure.